As an ambitious club who is interested to deliver innovative services to the supporters of our club, we are interested to install a new wireless infrastructure into our stadium. It's important to optimize our operations and services, and we are very convinced that Wi-Fi infrastructure in the Signal Iduna Park will be able to open new spaces for additional business. We have been looking for a company who was really interested in the special concerns of Borussia Dortmund, and Huawei has been around in the wireless field over a decade and has rich experience. They have knowledge, they installed Wi-Fi infrastructure to other stadiums. And it was also important for us to find an international brand, and Huawei is a very ambitious international brand from China. Huawei's solution will deliver an outstanding performance and great technical features to our stadium. Speed access for more than 100 users. We have seen the technology in China. We were really impressed about the interest of Huawei and how they try to focus on the concerns of our club. And therefore, I'm very sure that we made the right decision to find and take Huawei as a new partner. But I also would like to congratulate Huawei that they made a good decision to take Borussia Dortmund as a partner. So it could be, no it couldn't be, it will be a win-win situation for both of us. Good luck Borussia Dortmund, as well good luck to Huawei.
We are confident and convinced that the Huawei solution will deliver an outstanding performance and great technical features. A single access point should provide high-speed access for more than 100 users. Huawei really spent time to understand our business and technical requirements. We are now moving forward with them to work on the development plan. We are quite confident that it will be successfully installed and launched to innovate and optimize our matchday experience.
Huawei and Borussia Dortmund, great partnership.